In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create LinkedIn video custom thumbnail. A strong thumbnail can be the difference between someone scrolling past your post and someone clicking to watch. So we'll walk through the exact flow inside LinkedIn to attach a custom image to your video before you publish. Start on your LinkedIn feed. Make sure you're signed in and on desktop for the smoothest experience. From there, head over to your profile page. This takes you into the area where your activity and media live, which helps keep everything organized as you prepare your post. On your profile, open the videos section. This is where LinkedIn focuses on your video content and is the most direct route to creating a new video post with the right settings. Now choose Create a Post. We're about to upload your video and set the thumbnail before it goes live. Click Add Media and select your video file from your computer. Give LinkedIn a moment to process the upload. Larger files may take a bit longer. While it loads, make sure you have your thumbnail image saved locally and ready to go. It helps to name the file clearly so you can find it quickly. When your video is loaded, look for the option labeled Video Thumbnail and click it. Then select Add Video Thumbnail, navigate to the image you prepared on your computer and choose it. For best results, use a horizontal 16:9 image at least 1280 by 720 pixels in JPG or PNG. Keep key text and faces away from the extreme edges so nothing gets cropped on different screens, and aim for high contrast so the subject stands out even at a small size. Click Add to apply your thumbnail and take a moment to review the preview. Make sure it accurately represents the content and looks crisp. If something seems off, you can reopen the thumbnail option and select a different image. Next, click